Good afternoon, everybody. This is Marcia. Kansas Misfits here. And today we're going to walk around together on a nature walk and see how many things God created. I'm going to stop at 10. I see both my cats. This is Ball. Isn't he beautiful? And his twin brother is across the street, across from the mailbox. Right there. That's Bill. So that's one. I'm counting the cats as one. And I'm talking about living things that God created. Like the trees. The crabapple tree. Look how many crabapples I still have. Lots of crabapples. Look at that tree. It's practically dead. It's changed a lot through the 7 years we've lived in this house. Then we have the tree line around the property. And all these other trees. Some are tall and large. Beautiful. Lots of trees. Let's head towards the back. See if we can see anything else. There's some butterflies. I don't know if you can see it. See if I can get closer to it. Right about there, I believe. Whoops. Right about there. I don't know if you can see it. Butterfly. What was that? 3? Ah, the shade sure feels good. Look at the beauty. I know it's weedy, but I'm talking about nature. The things that just go on their own, you know? That God made. Okay, chickens. That'd be number 4, right? Shall we check out the chickens? I guess my daughter thinks my yard is a trash can. Throws her cans down and everything. Here's her babies. Hey guys. You sure are quiet. Yes, you are. That's number 4. Beautiful chickens. Come over and see these chickens, huh? There's the noisy ones. And this here white stuff right here is from a hole where something came in and killed some of the chickens. There's the babies. That's still number 4. How about poison ivy? That's natural, that God created. That's 5. Some things are good, some things are bad. Depends on the person. And the grass, of course, that's 6. It's nature. Come over here where these other chickens are at. They sure are quiet. Usually they're up talking to me by now. There's some birds on top of the chicken coop. There's 4 of them. I don't know if you can see them. Right about there. That's 6. Hey guys, come up here. Say hi to everybody. Oh, hi there, Squeaky. Squeaky's the white rooster right there. Old Yeller, where are you? There's Old Yeller. He's the big yellow one. Right there. And there's Big Red. Right there. That's my 3 roosters. Big Red, Squeaky, and Old Yeller. I don't know how they keep from fighting. What do we got? Let's see. Squeaky has 5 hens. Used to have 6. Has 5 hens. And the other 2 share the other ones, I guess. I don't know how they do it. But there's the chickens. That's number 6. Okay, let's walk around here and see if we can see any more nature. The neighbors' turkeys aren't around anymore. I don't know if they just got put to freezer camp or was invited to dinner. But they're no longer around, seems like. I haven't seen them in days. Yeah, we'll go on this side and see the birds. Yep. I might squeeze in here and mow some of this lawn tomorrow, maybe, if the lawnmower's still here. If not, I guess I won't. It needs mowed. The growth in the garden, that would count. No, that's it. God created it, even though I planted it. Looks like this peach tree needs some pruning. Hoop. There's poison ivy all over that tree. See that? All the way up the tree. That tree's gonna probably die. I don't know if can poison ivy kill a tree? Comment below. Yep. So I got to 7. Let's see if we can find 3 more things. Sometimes I'm scared to walk anywhere in this yard. There's more poison ivy right there. Or some type of viney weed. Is that a poison? I'm not going to touch it. Just in case. Check out my onion garden. God created onions. They're starting to grow. I need to water them. I'll do that later this evening. Ooh, spider webs. I guess a spider would be one of God's creations, even though I can't see it. I can see the web. So I count that as 8. 2 more. There's some type of a bug flying around. I don't know if that was a sweat bee or what kind of bug it was. Okay. You know those, I call them locuses. I don't know the proper name for it. But here's their shell. I guess that can be 9. There's 2 of them. 9. 1 more. Can we find 1 more of nature? Things that God made. Let's see. I think that's a spider. I'm not for sure. Can you see it? Oops, it flew off. There ain't no spider, not if it's flying. I'm going to try to put this video to music. I don't know if I have room on my phone. I've been trying to delete I bought sunflowers. They're natural. I never planted them. So that must be created by God. Sunflowers, number 10. There's the cat on the porch getting a drink of water. So, I guess I gave you 10 things today for nature. And get up these steps. I hope you enjoyed that. A little bit strange. I didn't know what to do my channel on. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Here's Ball. Yeah, he said hi. He's a good boy. We'll end it with him, and we pretty much began it with him. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Here comes my other cat, my indoor cat. That's Putty Tat. Ready to go in the house, Putty? Ball. Here, Pud. Go in the house. Ball, leave her alone. Putty, go in the house. Go in the house, Pud. No, you can't go in the house. I'll let you guys go. I'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ta.